up through the hole, around the backside, and back down through the hole.